What is up, my friends? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to protect your stainless steel sink from water spots and rust. First thing you need to do, clean your sink thoroughly. Remove grease, food, any stuck on remnants. Make sure you clean those thoroughly and then dry the sink. As you can see, the sink is completely dry. There's no water in here. There's no dirt. There's no grease. It's clean. It's dry. Now we are ready to protect it. This is going to keep your sink looking brand new year-round. Take our product, shake it up. We're just going to do one side at a time. I'm going to do this back side. Spray it on. Take your regular cloth. This is just a regular washcloth, regular cotton cloth. And apply it right like that evenly. This is very, very simple. Now take you a microfiber cloth, and what you're going to do is you're just going to buff. Small circular motions. What this does is polish the steel. And this product has a carnauba wax built in. It's going to protect it from water spots and rust. Right like that. Let me show you a bigger area. I'm just going to do the entire bottom here. Take our product. Spray it on. Now buff. This is very simple. I'm not using a lot of pressure. This doesn't take a lot of effort. It just takes 5 minutes to do this, and this will protect your sink year round. What this carnauba wax is doing in here is it just seals the sink, makes it fingerprint resistant, and so the water will just bead up and it won't leave any water spots and rust. So there's no oily residue. It doesn't smear anything like that. Actually, it feels extremely smooth. It feels as smooth, as I like to say, as smooth as a baby's bottom. So go ahead, you'll do this side, you'll do this side, and you'll do right here, and you'll be finished. Product I'm using for the video, boom, Koenig spray polish. I featured this product in a different video. It does a fantastic job with this. Product will be listed and linked down below for you. So get you a can today and protect your sink year round.